Daily vocabulary hacks. Let's go. Assist, assist. Help. Can you assist me with this project? Can you assist me with this project? Purchase, purchase. Buy. I purchased a new laptop yesterday. I purchased a new laptop yesterday. Require, require, need. This job requires strong communication skills. This job requires strong communication skills. Attempt, attempt, try. He attempted to solve the problem, but it was too hard. He attempted to solve the problem, but it was too hard. Discover, discover, find out. We discovered a nice cafe near the station. We discovered a nice cafe near the station. Improve, improve, gets better. Reading every day will improve your English. Reading every day will improve your English. Maintained, maintained. Keep. It's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's important to maintain the healthy lifestyles. Provide, provide, give. The teacher provided extra notes for the students. The teacher provides extra notes for the students. Receive, receive, get. I received an email from my manager. I received an email from my manager. Respond, respond, reply. She didn't respond to my message. She didn't respond to my message. Avoid, avoid, stay away from. You should avoid eating junk food every day. You should avoid eating junk food every day. Consider, consider, think about. I consider your suggestion carefully. I'll consider your suggestion carefully. Achieve, achieve, reach a goal. She achieved her dream of becoming a doctor. She achieved her dream of becoming a doctor. Supports, supports, help, encourage. Friends should support each other. Friends should support each other. Suggest, suggest, recommend. I suggest trying that Italian restaurant. I suggest trying that Italian restaurant. Arrange, arrange, organize. He arranged the meeting for tomorrow morning. He arranged the meeting for tomorrow morning. Explain, explain, make clear. Can you explain the rules again? Can you explain the rules again? Deliver, deliver, bring. The courier delivered the package on time. The courier delivered the package on time. Increase, increase, go up. The company increased the salaries this year. The company increased salaries this year. Reduce, reduce, make less. We need to reduce plastic waste. We need to reduce plastic waste. Encourage, encourage, motivate. Teachers should encourage students to ask questions. Teachers should encourage students to ask questions. Notice, notice, see, realize. Did you notice the news sign outside? Did you notice the news sign outside? Prepare, prepare, get ready. She prepared the delicious dinner. She prepared the delicious dinner. Solve, solve, fix a problem. They solved the puzzle quickly. They solved the puzzle quickly. Discuss, discuss, talk about. Let's discuss our plans after lunch. Let's discuss our plans after lunch. Depend, depend, rely on. Success depends on hard work. Success depends on hard work. Protect, protect, keep safe. We must protect the environment. We must protect the environment. Develop, develop, grow, make better. She developed the strong leadership skills. She developed the strong leadership skills. Choose, choose, select. You can choose any dessert from the menu. You can choose any dessert from the menu. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.